Hello everyone, let us start your exercise number 5.3. We have done 3 sums. So now let us start number 4. 4 number. See here. How many terms of the AP? AP is given 9, 17, 25, etc. must be taken to give a sum means Sn, sum of 636. Find out n. How many terms? That is called n. First term A equal to 9. Difference D equals to 17 minus 9, that is 8. Sn is given, use the formula of Sn. Sn equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is 636 equals to n by 2, 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 and d is 8. Okay, take 2 which is in division this side, 636 2's out. 1272 equals to n into 9 2's are 18. Open this. 8n minus 8 ones are 8. 1272 equals to n. 8n, 18 minus 8 is 10. Open the bracket. 1272 equals to 8n square plus 10n. Take this term this side, so here it will be 0. 8n square plus 10n minus 1272. Now divide each term by 2. 0 is there, so no need to write 2 because 2 moves this side. 0 divided by 2 is 0. Divide by 2, 4n square, 5n, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6 and 2 6 are. Now factorize this. 636 4s are, whatever it is. I factorize like this. 4 means what? 2 2s are. And 636 means divide by 2, 2 3s are, 2 18s are. Again divide by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are. Divide by 3, 3 5s are 15 and 3 3s are and 53 1s are. Now factors are 2, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 53. We'll see the sign of last term, that is subtraction, and bring out 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are together 48. 53 minus 48 will be 5. So factors are 4n square. I need plus 5n. So I write 53n minus 48n minus 636 equals to 0. From this to n is common. Remaining 4n plus 53. I need 4n plus 53 as a second bracket. So I write it equal to 0. N is already in the inner side. Out of 48, 4 is there. So 48 divided by 4 will be 12. So 12 4s are 48 and 12 53s are will be 636. 4n plus 53 common. N minus 12 equals to 0. Right? Now 4n plus 53 equals to 0 or n minus 12 equals to 0. So n equals to minus 53 upon 4 or n equals to 12. This is impossible. So n equals to 12 is possible. This is your answer. We needed to find n. Now 5 number. First term of an AP is 5, means first term A equal to 5. Last term is 45, AN, which is called last term, 45. And the sum means total, Sn equals to 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference, means you have to find what? N and D. Okay? Now see, last term we want to find. So we use what? can directly apply this. Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l. After that you will get n. Sn equals to n by 2 into a plus l. Sn is 400 and we want to find a is 5 and last term is 45. 400 equals to n by 2, 45 plus 5, that is 50. 225 is up. Now 25 is in multiplication, move down. So 400 divided by 25 equals to n. 5 5s are 5 80s are 5 16s are. So n equals to 16. Okay. Now you want to find d. So apply the formula of an. An equals to a plus n minus 1 into b. An is 45, a is 5, n is 16 minus 1, d want to find. 45 plus 5 move this side, minus 5, 16 minus 1, 15d. So 40 equals to 15d. So d equals to what? 40 divided by 15. 5 8s are, 5 3s are. So d equals to 8 upon 3. Okay. Now 6th number. See here it is very easy. You have to write the data from the question and then place into the formula. First and last term of AP are respectively given 17 and 350. First term is 17 and last term means AN equals to 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, common difference D equals to 9. How many terms are there? Means find out N. And what is their sum? Means find out Sn. Sum means total. Okay? See. Sn you want to find, so naturally you have to apply Sn equals to n by 2. N also we don't have, so we apply An equals to a plus n minus 1 into t. An is 350, a is 70, n minus 1, d is 9. 350 minus 17, 9n minus 9. Open the bracket. 350 minus 17, 340 and 333. That is equals to 9n minus 9. Minus 9 move other side, it will be plus 9 equals to 9n. 342 divided by 9 equals to 10. So n equals to, see the table of 9. 9 3s are 27, 72 means 9 8s are. So n equals to 38. Now find out Sn. Sn equals to n by 2, a plus l. You can apply l because we have Sn we want to find. N is 38 upon 2, a 17 plus 350. 219s are. So Sn means S38 equals to 19 into 367 and then multiplied. 367 multiplied by 19, that is 3670. Total will be 697. Sorry. Is it okay? 6 sum. Now number 7. Write down all these things by winding it, or you can take a snapshot. Now number 7. Find the sum of first 22 terms. S22. Sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D equals to 7 and 22nd term A22 equals to 149. Now here we have A22 equal to 149. What do you mean by A22? Means applying the formula a plus n minus 1d n is 22. So it is a plus 21d, that is equals to 149. Okay. Now a22 is given 149. A plus 21d equals to 149. Now d we have 7. This is the value. A plus 147 equals to 149. 147 move other side. 149 minus 147. So A equal to what? 2. Now want to find Sn. Sn equals to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Last term is not there. As 22, you can take A22 as a last term because we want to find up to 22 term. But I write this. So I apply this 22 by 2, 2 into 2 plus 22 minus 1 and d is 7. 2 11 za 11 2 za 4 plus 21 into 7. 4 plus 147 11 into 151 151 11 za 1661 S22. Sum of first 22 terms. Okay. Now 8 number. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP. Sum of first 51 terms of an AP you have to find. Whose second and third terms are there? Second term means A2 is 14 and third term A3 is 18 respectively given. Now second term and third term are given, both are consecutive term, second and third. So from this you can directly derive D. So D equals to what? A3 minus A2. 18 minus 14, that is equals to 4. Now we have D equals to 4. Want to find Sn. So you need what? A. If you subtract D from this, you will get A. It is very simple. But A2 equals to 14. A2 is what? A plus 1D equals to 14. Now D is 4. Plus 4 move other side minus 4. 14 minus 4. So A equal to what? 10. Now Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that n minus 1 into d. Now want to find S51. N equal to 51 upon 2. 2a is 10. 51 minus 1 and a is 4. Okay. Simplify this. 51 upon 2. 10 2s are 20. 51 minus 1 50 into 4. 51 upon 2 20 plus 200. 51 upon 2 220. 210 are. This is 5610 as 51. Okay. Now 9 number. Take the sum of first 7 terms. Sum of first 7 terms means S7. Sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49. S7 is 49. And that of 17 terms, sum of first 17 terms of an AP is 289. Find the sum of first n term, means find out Sn. Okay? See here, S7 is given, S17 is given. From S7, apply the formula. Sn equals to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. So S7 equals to 7 by 2 to a plus 7 minus 1 6d. S7 is what? 49 equals to 7 by 2. From this bracket you can take 2 common. Remaining is a plus 3d. If you cancel, 7 is in multiplication, move down. 49 divided by 7 equals to a plus 3d. 7 7s are. So a plus 3d equals to 7. Equation number 1. Now from S17 apply the same style. Now I write direct. S17 equals to 17 by 2. 2a plus 17 minus 1, 16b. S17 is 289 equals to 17 upon 2. 2 common. A plus 8b. 2 to cancel. 17 is in multiplication, move down. 289 divided by 17 equals to a plus 8b. 17 are a plus 8b equals to 17. Result number 2. Now eliminate, means from 1 and 2. By elimination method, I write the second equation first because it is bigger, and the first one is a plus 3d equals to 7. Change the sign. Plus a minus a cancel. 8 minus 3, 5d equals to 10. 5 moves down, so d equals to 2. But we have a plus 3d equals to 7. A plus 3, d is 2. 3 2s are 6. Plus 6, move other side, minus 6. 7 minus 6, so a equal to 1. Now you want to find Sn. So Sn equals to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into b. This is the value. Sn we want to find means we don't know about n. 2, a is 1, plus n minus 1 and b is 2. That is equals to n by 2. 2 ones are 2, open the bracket, 2n minus 2. Plus 2n minus 2 will be cancelled. N by 2 into 2n. 2 will be cancelled. N square. So Sn equals to n square. Recall something. We explained you Sn equals to n square. N square is the formula to find out the sum of odd numbers, odd natural numbers. So this is the question of sum of odd natural number. This is the formula to find out odd natural number. Okay, so write down it.